Thanks for clicking on this video of the 8 building blocks of fast and focused training design. My name's Krystyna and I'm the founder of How to Accelerate Learning. The first and probably most important of the building blocks is to determine the organisational outcomes. You must have conversations with the stakeholders to determine what they really want and to ensure that there's going to be some measures in place to aid evaluation. Using Bloom's taxonomy, you should then agree the learning outcomes. The questions you need to ask yourself are: is the learning knowledge, skills or attitudes? What do they need to know before they can develop their skills? And at which level of Bloom's taxonomy do they need to be at by the end? Use a mind map to gather all your ideas and then create a logical flow. It's always a good idea to prepare your learners for learning. This is the preparation phase of David Mayer's 4-phase cycle, and this will involve setting expectations, asking what their objectives are, pre-reading, or some questions to get them thinking. This is the really fun bit. Get a blank piece of paper and some coloured pens. Have the mind map and objectives on one side for reference, and then really get creative on designing some activities that will engage the learners. Complete a session plan. Quite often, little time is given to reviews, action planning, and also evaluation, so make sure you give them time. Plan how you're going to follow up the learning. This is the performance phase of David Mayer's 4-phase cycle. Make sure you involve the line managers and use follow-up activities to not only reinforce the learning, but to inspire them to learn further. Finally, prepare your resources, deliver, evaluate, and modify if you are going to have further runs of the same learning for different groups. Thanks for listening. You can get in touch if you want to learn more.